What's going on? This is Darren. Just gonna give you a couple of quick tips for the day. This is a rental property we bought over here on the east side of Houston. We put all new windows in. We were able to leave the vinyl siding, just paint it, because it was 3 or 4 different colors, so it looked horrible. The old wooden windows, the only time we really, truly choose to replace windows is if it's the old wooden windows and they're not functioning. So that's pretty much it for the outside. Let's go take a look at the inside. So here in the inside of the property, if you're taking something all the way down to the studs like we did here, I would always advise you to, if you're not going to replace all the plumbing in the house, but on a house that's built in the 1960s and 50s, if the plumbing's never been replaced, at least replace the plumbing from where the sink is into the attic. That way, if anything happens, you know it's in the attic, and it's easy for your plumber to come in and fix, and you don't have to remove cabinets, and you don't have to. It's not a big fiasco, and it doesn't cost you more money down the road. You spend a couple of extra dollars, put the plumbing new from inside the walls up into the attic. That way, if you need to replace anything, it's simple. All right, and you can see the guys are working. They're floating. They're getting ready for texture. Hopefully, we'll be able to texture this thing on Monday. So it'll be a nice little rental. Let's go take a look over here in the restroom. Show you what we did. So what we're doing, quick tip for you if you didn't know, hot water heater was over here. It's kind of in the way. It doesn't make sense for it to be right here. So what we're gonna do is, there's not much space in the attic, and I don't like putting hot water heaters in the attic that hold water, so we're putting a tankless up there. That way it mitigates our risk with this thing rusting and starting to leak water everywhere. And then also we were looking for a place, there always needs to be a place for a washer and dryer that's in a halfway decent area. This is the best place we could find. They had the washing machine in the kitchen area, and then you don't want a washing machine just in the open in the kitchen area. So we made it this little area over here, this cubby hole, for a stackable washer and dryer. I used to forget that, so anytime you're buying a rental property, please make sure to find a place where you can have a washer and dryer, because a lot of tenants want that in their house. And then one other quick tip that we do here for all of our rental properties, we put up the hardy backer board here, and then you can see we put some of the cement to cover the holes and the cracks. And then there's also another product called Red Guard, and we'll come back and we'll paint the Red Guard on the hardy backer, and what that does is that seals it off and it makes it waterproof. That way, if water penetrates through the tile or through the mortar, you have a waterproof backing on the backside of the tile. So if you're gonna keep a rental property for the next 20 years, I'd spend the extra $100 and waterproof that to help hold up the integrity of your rental property. So when you want to resell it, it has value. That's pretty much it. So hope you enjoyed the quick tips. See you next time.